one of the most powerful things is decision. Decision is extremely powerful. But you'll find that the non-successful or non-productive people, the people that are getting poor results, the people that are just getting by to pay their bills, the people that are struggling, the people that say, I want to do the business, but they've been saying that for the past 5-10 years. The people that are saying, I want a different job, but they still go in and punch the clock 5-10 years in a row. The people that say, I want to do this, I want another house, I want another car. They're stuck because they're afraid to make the decision. Once you make a decision, it's a power that just takes an action because you've decided what you want. So then once you make a decision, all your mental thoughts, all your energies go towards whatever you decided. When you're indecisive, when you're stuck in the middle, should I stay with the man? Should I leave him? Should I stay with the woman? Should I leave her? You're stuck. You're going nowhere. That's what indecision does to you. It leaves you stuck. You're going to make the same amount of money. But guess what? If you're making the same amount of money every year, you're going backwards, right? Because food goes up. The price of gas goes up. The kids' tuition, whether it's college or school or whatever, it goes up. Everything is constantly moving. If you ain't moving, you're dead. So a lot of us get comfortable in that dead zone because we're scared to make the decision, right? Once you make the decision, you start to step through fear because part of you being indecisive is a fear. You're afraid of something. You're either afraid of failing. Most people say, well, I'm afraid of failing. So I would start the business, but what if it don't work? So because you're indecisive, what starts to come to you is all the negatives. Oh, well, my friends ain't going to like it. They ain't going to support me. You know what? I thought about doing that business, but there's a lot of people doing that business. I got a good job. Well, look at your life and say, what is the reality? What is a good job? What is a good situation? A good or great situation will be something that's benefiting you financially and you're constantly moving up or you have the ability to move up. If you've been doing that same thing over and over again, it's not good. Decision is the most powerful thing we can do. Decide what you want to do. Don't worry about what people are going to think. Don't worry about how you're going to get there. Just make the decision that's what you want to do. When I talk to people and they say, I want a new house. And I say, well, where you been looking at? Well, I ain't started because I'm trying to get the money up. Before I get there, I'm like, what are you trying to get the money up for? For what? You haven't even looked at a house. Well, I know I got to have this. Who told you got to have that? Well, that's what I heard. Who'd you hear that from? Well, my friend, what do they do for a living? Well, they work with me. Do they make more money than you? No, they work with you. Do they own a house? No. Why are you listening to people that haven't done it? Why are you taking that into your psyche? Make the decision. If you want a house, go house hunting and say, I want that house. The moment you make the decision you want the house, all of your mental energy, everything is going to go towards that house, right? You're going to attract whatever you need in order to get that house. You don't know how much money you're going to need for the house because you haven't made the decision of the house that you want, right? So whatever you do, begin with the end in sight. But it all starts with a decision. Make the decision to change your life and whatever you want to do for you, not for your mama, not for your sister, not for your brother, not for your friends, make the decision for you and yourself, and your life is going to it's going to miraculously change. If you don't make the decision, you're going to be stuck and you'll be in that same position a year, 2 years from now. But guess what? The world is going to pass you by. So make the decision today, whatever you want to do, and your life is going to change instantly.